And action.
Ma'am Dragona, why did you call us here? I'm supposed to review for the regional quiz club.
That's precisely why you both are here. Calix, your partner, Frida, from Section Akasha, is in the hospital at the moment. Therefore, she cannot attend the quiz-con with you. And that's the reason why you are here, Agent. Kasi ikaw ang gusto mong bago maging partner ni Calix pagdating sa regional quiz-con. Kaya lang, the quiz-con is happening tomorrow.
Regional quiz po ba? Tomorrow na po agad?
I know it's crunch time for the things I review, but because of your stellar performance, I know it's crunch time for review, but because of your stellar performance, I have enough